out my window, seen destruction and poverty, enslavement of the mind should be a capital crime, 'cause they don't wanna see the people free. And we are moving forward, we are moving forward to Mount Zion. And we are moving forward, we are moving forward out of Babylon. Some people put their trust in silver